Thank you for purchasing the Easylift Split Top Table. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your CareCo product should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, lift out the various components and set them to one side. Supplied with your purchase, you should find a product manual and printed assembly instructions. To assemble this product, you will need 3 large screws, 4 small screws, 7 washers, 3 spring washers, a spanner and an Allen key. First, you'll need to attach the table post to the base. Line up the holes on the bottom of the post with the adjacent holes on the base. You'll need the 3 large screws to connect these 2 components. Make sure you have the washers in place with the spring washers on the side closest to the post. Twist the large screws until the post is fixed to the base. Then tighten using a spanner. Now attach the post with caster wheels to the table top. With the underside of the table facing up on a flat surface, line up the holes on the end of the post with the adjacent holes on the table. Connect these 2 components using the small screws. Make sure the washers are in place and remember to fully tighten with the Allen key. Flip the table back into an upright position, now resting on the caster wheels. Remove the bolt on the side of the post to release the height adjustment feature. We strongly advise that you do not remove this bolt until you have completed all the other stages of assembly. Your CareCo item is ready for use. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you wish to return the item. If you have any questions about the Easylift Split Top Table or its assembly, simply go to careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.